Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to another discussion of commodity market with SD. मैं हूं SD शानंदो दास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट. बिफोर वी मूव टू द डिस्कशन, अगर मैं मूव करने से पहले कुछ चीज क्लियर कर दूं. This analysis is not showing the full picture. I'm not covering global macro. I'm not covering fundamental. I'm only covering the technical side of the game, which is also very important because ये हमारा टाइमिंग टूल है. सेकेंडली, किसी का सुन के ट्रेड बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए. आई नेवर सपोर्ट दैट. दैट अल्टीमेटली लीड्स टू लॉस. You can take help, you can take knowledge, but ultimately where you enter, where you exit, you have to do as per your plan. If you do not know how to build those, you can join me in my regular classes to understand more on these. This video largely I'm making for myself. मैं क्या करने का प्लान कर रहा हूं. And secondly, this video likely to help जो लोग मेरा फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उनको हेल्प होने वाला है ये डिस्कशन से. So let's first I will start with the commodities, and commodity में पहले आ जाऊंगा base metal में. What a wonderful breakout we are seeing. This is copper. Copper 125 minutes chart giving a good breakout. The breakout is supportive in daily chart as well. काफी टाइम से हम लोग bearish ही हैं ओवरऑल कॉपर में, और सिंस कॉपर bearish है, ये हावी हो रहा है ओवरऑल बेस मेटल पैक के ऊपर. सो एक्चुअल प्राइस अगर देखा जाए, दिस वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट. इसको बोलते हैं माउंटेन टॉप का ऑपोजिट ट्रेंच बॉटम. सो एक बार लाइन चार्ट लाएंगे तो देखिए ये लेवल चैलेंज हो रहा है. अगर फर्दर मूवमेंट हुआ ऑन द डे डाउन, दिस मींस अ वेरी गुड ब्रेकडाउन इज हैपनिंग एंड कॉपर लाइकली टू सी फर्दर डिक्लाइन. और अगर हम लोग 125 मिनट्स चार्ट देखेंगे, कॉपर इज क्लियर कि ये तो बियरिश है ही. और इसके वर्स्ट केस में वी आर लाइकली टू सी इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट इस जोन से पहले नहीं आ रहा है. दिस इज द मेन सपोर्ट. इससे पहले जो भी सपोर्ट है, दोज आर माइनर सपोर्ट्स. मेजर सपोर्ट आ रहा है टुवर्ड्स दिस जोन 813, 822. दैट मींस वी आर लाइकली टू सी बिगर डिक्लाइन इन कॉपर. I can add on to this quantity copper once it is broken lower. एक बार ब्रेक हो जाए लोअर, मींस क्लोजिंग के हिसाब से क्लोजिंग ऑफ द कैंडल होने वाला है अराउंड 11:05. 11:05 the candle is going to close. Next we are looking at aluminium. Aluminium 125 minutes chart comeback did not work out. The latest comeback, lot of metals में workout नहीं हुआ, especially gold silver में, but it is at a very important support area. So once again base metals are remain trapped in a range. Overall 125 minutes is the range. Daily chart it's somewhat in a range. So base metal I have decided I'll avoid right now. They are not giving out that good a trade. Zinc has fallen significantly if we look at the daily chart, but we don't have a sell signal in the daily chart. Candle is not fully red. 125 minutes zinc is definitely bearish. एक अच्छा ब्रेकडाउन दे रहा है, बट देखिए कहां एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट जोन है. ये फ्लैट एरिया जो मेरा इस सेटअप इस्तेमाल करते हैं, यू नो द फ्लैट एरिया इज वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट. So this is going to cause, I hope you can ignore the outside sound. Morning our vegetable vendors are beautifully roaming around. तो ये देखिए ये क्लियरली नीचे की तरफ ये इंपॉर्टेंट जो सपोर्ट जोन है, ये सपोर्ट जोन के तरफ जिंक जा रहा है. तो जिंक में भी आई विल प्रेफर नॉट टू डू एनीथिंग. डेली चार्ट इज नॉट सपोर्टिव ऑफ दिस 125 मिनट्स मूव. What lead has significantly fallen, but lead is usually not my preferred counter. It has followed as per rule. It has broken below, and lead I think remains bearish. It is clear that it is bearish. The second order, अगर मतलब second month chart देखेंगे तो that bearish, but not as bearish as the front month. नेक्स्ट हम लोग आ जा रहे हैं गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर में. गोल्ड का द लास्ट जो बाई अटेम्प्ट This has failed. So this is, I'm in a square off mode. It has clearly showed before our market opened up, the fail came, but thankfully it is still not significantly down to cause major damage. And why exit right now? Though even though we are close to a support, this our paisa can remain trapped, and with the short trend bearish, I fully exit from the position. This is the morning candle of GC1, which closed during our time around 9:45. So this was the full exit. Agar aap abhi bhi exit nahi kiye, this is not a bad idea to make an exit. Then maybe it will come back. If it comes back, we can buy again like we did here. But now it's clear gold is moving into a range, if not turning bearish. Background is significant fall. Some people, kuch log bolenge because of Israel attack was not that strong. But I think gold sentiment was fully one-sided. So this kind of drop is healthy. It will shake off जो भी weak holder है gold के, उसको shake off करके निकाल देगा. And जो अच्छे holders हैं gold के, वो लोग रह पाएंगे. मुझे अच्छा opportunities दिख रहा है rather in silver. Silver is turning bearish, not yet bearish. Obviously, candle देखिए is not fully red. मतलब मेरा price action अभी भी neutral है. तो एक बार price action bearish हो गया, that means full red candle at the time of closing, then price action will be valid. I will short silver with the maximum stop loss. नाउ क्वांटिटी कितना शॉर्ट करना है उसके लिए मैं क्या करने वाला हूं, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द ट्रेंड्स एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द अपर टाइम फ्रेम. अपर टाइम फ्रेम में विच इज द डेली चार्ट, अपर टाइम फ्रेम में लॉन्ग ट्रेंड, मीडियम ट्रेंड एंड शॉर्ट ट्रेंड, both all three are bullish. That means I'll have to consider them in the decision making. And this short will be a lower quantity short. I'll follow my here I think I'll follow the factor X of my positioning method. So factor X के हिसाब से X मतलब 10 factor, तो इसीलिए X Roman numeral. So factor X के हिसाब से I'll remain into this. I'll divide my portion into 10 part, and if when it's bearish, if all the three trends are in follow up here and we have the momentum, largely I'll start off with 30 to 40% of the quantity. Then as we make progress, I'll be further adding on to the quantity. So this is the outlook in silver. The trade that is disappointing a bit, that has been natural gas. Natural gas showed solid break, but finally looks like it is giving out a clear exit. It has fallen. Maybe we'll see further bearishness going ahead. Currently staying out of the natural gas will be the main theme. This is a full exit. This is where I have to incur some loss. It was a beautiful breakout, but looks like it could not finally sustain today. Overall commodities spacey पूरा प्रेशर में आ रहा है, डाउन साइड प्रेशर में, एज डॉलर, यूएस डॉलर इज वंस अगेन लीडिंग हायर. यूएस डॉलर जैसे जैसे लीड कर रहा है ऊपर की तरफ, द प्रेशर ऑन कमोडिटीज आर राइजिंग. US dollar has cleared an important level. Looks like dollar will be rising further. So let's look at, before we close up, एक बार crude oil और natural gas को एक बार देखेंगे. Crude oil new sell off chance as per daily chart आ रहा है. New sell entry opportunity, but it has moved significantly. Crude oil, as it was the attack by Israel was not considered as significantly potent. We should condemn any kind of war, if war that is happening. So I fully condemn Israel and Iran war, not any particular countries. I'm not biased on any country, but we should condemn war. War is bad for everyone. तो यहाँ पे crude oil has turned bearish from significant level. Thankfully, the buy signal we got, but यहाँ पे buy signal, the crude was not closed above this, and this buy signal candle was too small with white cross outside the body, which is usually a warning. And warning played well. We saw an opposite movement in crude oil. Daily chart, we have been bearish, and once again it is turning further bearish with this strong double top at this resistance zone. It will be now difficult for crude oil to break this 5993 to 6090. This 1000 रुपए का जो range है, इस range crude oil find it very difficult to go break. And anybody planning to short crude oil will have to have the stop loss around 6050 area, which is quite a big stop loss. But also daily chart, if it holds, the possibility of decline is also quite big. What driving crude oil here, I think, would be one of the reasons that Donald Trump can win. And Trump has clearly said that he would be targeting crude oil will massive amount of opening up of new drilling opportunities in the US. So crude oil has turned bearish, natural gas has turned mixed. The upper time frame anyway was not supportive of that. You become too bullish. That's why quantity management is very important. You don't get hurt by these moves. So broadly, we will stay away from commodities, right? I'm staying away from commodities. I want to see today's Monday's move to take position, what could be suitable, etc. For now, I'll go for more wait and watch mode. Opportunities could be coming towards sell side in silver, base metal in a range. Crude oil we can get on the short side. Natural gas in future we may also get on the short side. So that's all, friends, on the commodities. All the best from my side to your trading, and as always, happy trading.